Now let's take a closer look at a top news story of the week. As you've heard, Cisco Live 2023 is going on right now, and Cisco Live is one of the biggest conferences in the enterprise IT technology space. We're there with Tech Field Day. We'll be live streaming today. We also live streamed yesterday, and we'll be posting a bunch of really deep technical sessions with Cisco, including many of the stories that we're going to be talking about today, along with Backbox and OpenGear as well. So at Cisco Live 2023, Cisco unveiled a range of solutions for SSE, network management, observability, and a new cloud-native application security solution called Panoptica. I think they might want to look up the references on that one. The event, which includes a performance by comedian Jim Gaffigan, one of my personal favorites, highlighted Cisco's focus on simplifying user experiences and addressing the evolving needs of organizations. The Security Service Edge solution aims to streamline access and enhance hybrid work experiences, while the integration of generative AI into the security cloud improves security operations and efficiency. Cisco Networking Cloud offers a unified framework for network management, addressing challenges of complexity and fragmentation. The full-service observability platform brings together data from multiple domains, enabling comprehensive insights, while Panoptica, as you could guess, brings together end-to-end lifecycle protection for cloud-native applications. We're getting more details on all of these products at our Tech Field Day sessions at Cisco Live, which included presentations from Cisco Security, ThousandEyes, and Enterprise Networking yesterday, and we will hear from Cloud and Compute, Secure Policy, and IoT today. Now let's dive into a few of these things. Jeff, let's start off by taking a look at Secure Service Edge.
Yeah, Cisco has unveiled its new Security Service Edge, SSE, as everybody knows, aiming to simplify access and enhance hybrid work experience across any device, location, and application. The company is integrating generative AI capabilities into its security cloud, allowing for simplified security operations and improved efficiency. Cisco's innovation in firewall, multi-cloud, and application security aligns with this vision for the security cloud platform. These new offerings include Cisco Secure Access, which provides a common access experience and a single cloud managed console, as well as enhanced threat detection and response capabilities. Cisco is also collaborating with mobile device vendors like Apple to ensure secure and seamless remote access. Additionally, Cisco is previewing generative AI features for reducing policy complexity and expediting threat response, while also introducing the Cisco Secure Firewall 4200 series and Cisco Multi-Cloud Defense to bolster its network security for hybrid work environments. This company's integrated approach extends to cloud application security with new capabilities, as you talked about earlier, Stephen, Panoptica, offering enhanced protection for cloud-native applications. And I think this hits on it, that hybrid work environment, and the need to secure the edge, as we all experienced during the pandemic. Our perimeter just exploded. And we have to do things to secure the remote worker, secure the distributed worker, as well as the proliferation of IoT devices that need security as well. I think this is a great step.
Yeah, I want to dive into Panoptica a little bit. First of all, I have to mention that a Panopticon was a institutional design from social theorist Jeremy Bentham, which would make all prisoners in a prison visible to guards at all times in all of their activities, which is why the name of this product is interesting. Cisco's Panoptica, not Panopticon, is a cloud-native application security solution, and it's designed to provide end-to-end lifecycle protection for cloud-native application environments. What does it do and how does it do it? Well, it includes code and build protection, an attack path engine for securing modern hybrid cloud applications, and more. It also integrates the security insights for cloud-native observability, for real-time visibility and risk management. This is an interesting solution for Cisco because it really focuses on the developing world of cloud-native applications which, as we've spoken about many, many times, are rising in importance in enterprise technology. But when people talk about cloud native applications, I bet their first thought is, hey, let's talk to Cisco about that. I bet that they're thinking, sort of a lot of these next generation companies and cloud service providers and AWS, and heck, maybe they're looking stuff up on GitHub or whatever. But Cisco, I think, is reacting to the real change in enterprise tech, where companies are introducing cloud native application development teams with next generation applications coming out of them. And all of those things need observability. They need to have a platform that allows operations to make sure that everything is running correctly. Frankly, maybe the Panopticon metaphor isn't so bad, because essentially what we've got, if you think of the containers that all of these applications are running in and all the microservices as Bentham's prisoners, you think of the Cisco Panoptica as the prison guards. They really do need continuous observability, continuous observation to make sure that everything is functioning the way it's supposed to. It's just a little bit too on the nose for those of us who studied philosophy, the name that is.
Well, you mentioned that we may not look directly to Cisco for cloud native application help, but one area that we will look to Cisco for is our networking. And so they also unveiled its vision for the Cisco Networking Cloud, an integrated management platform designed to simplify network management and provide a unified experience for customers. This platform aims to address the challenges of network complexity, fragmentation, and lack of visibility by offering cloud-driven automation, rich network insights, and collaboration with partners. Cisco is introducing components such as single sign-on, API key exchange repository, cross-platform navigation, and a common user interface to enhance operational simplicity and reliability. Additionally, Cisco is expanding its network assurance capabilities with Cisco ThousandEyes for end-to-end network visibility and automation, as well as introducing improvements to the data center and AI data center blueprints. The goal is to streamline IT ops, improve user experience, and drive measurable business outcomes. And I know, Stephen, earlier you mentioned that the field day delegates are at Cisco Live. And they've probably had conversations about just this as they've listened to some of the product announcements. I think this one for Cisco is a direct hit on target, bringing together the network management in a single platform. And some of the things that jumped out at me in this announcement were that they're working with collaboration with other partners. Not something that you typically see out of Cisco, and definitely not something you see out of the most of the clouds. So being able to have a hybrid cloud platform architecture, have a mixed architecture of on-premises and cloud, and being able to manage that network through one pane of glass, one set of eyes, I think is a great step forward.
One set of eyes, 1,000 eyes in one.
Yes, yeah.
We've seen ThousandEyes previously, a very impressive solution, and it seems like this again, this theme of Panoptica, of networking cloud and ThousandEyes is continued with another announcement from Cisco Live, which is the Full-Stack Observability platform. Now, this is based on open telemetry, which analyzes metrics, events, logs, and traces, which is euphemistically called MELT, from any source. And again, we're looking at a product that is open, that is focused on cloud-native architecture and next-generation applications, and that includes partners. So Cisco is talking with a number of different partners to develop solutions and expand their full-stack observability platform as well. And I think that this is really what's needed in modern enterprise tech. But again, I will get back to my point, which is that many people might not have considered Cisco to be a key partner when it comes to application development for modern cloud native, next generation hyperscalable apps. But I think that Cisco is absolutely laying down the gauntlet here and saying, no, you need to take us seriously. We are part of this environment. We're part of the enterprise. We're a trusted partner to major enterprises. And we have tools, we have technologies. Some of it is acquired, some of it is open standards, and some of it is in collaboration with partners that allows us to do so much more than what you might have thought from Cisco in the past. And for me, that's a pretty positive development, and frankly, a pretty positive message to come out of a conference like Cisco Live. So all I will say in summary is keep an eye out. Don't write Cisco out. In fact, maybe give them a chance to explain what these platforms are all about. And, maybe check out some of the videos from Tech Field Day at Cisco Live, where you can learn a little bit more about these things strategically, but also nuts and bolts. And what do these products really do, and how do they really work?